does the Father pray to the Son?
Prayer in the sense of...
Show me a verse in the Bible where the Father is asking the Son for anything. But the Son asks the Father. The Son says the Father is greater than I, right?
What about in Hebrews?
Go ahead. Oh, bro, I got the Bible with me. Go ahead.
Bro, we're never going to get to the mark yet.
If you gotta go, bro. I'm not trying to hold you back. You know.
We're not, but
I appreciate the conversation.
But like, no, these are like real curiosities.
Good, bro. Ask, man.
And then the other part that I don't understand is like, I would talk to Muslims.
Yeah.
And a lot of times I would hear, okay, cool. We believe in the Quran, right?
Yeah.
But to the Son, he says, your throne, O God, forever and ever.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where is he praying to him?
Their communication.
Again, it's different. Like me and you are communicating. I'm not praying to you, right? But Jesus, but there's a difference between communication and prayer.
Okay.
Jesus puts his head to the ground and prays to the Father. And he says the Father is greater than I, right?
Okay.
Father knows the hour. Jesus doesn't know the hour, right?
He does know the hour.
Oh, really?
I know you. So what you're going to go through is...
well, let me read.
Only the Father in heaven knows the hour.
Okay.
But because they're one in knowledge, right? Because of his stature, he is not...
Okay, so let's listen to what you're saying, and let's read the Bible.
Okay.
All right, I'm just going to read.
Okay.
But of that day and hour, no one knows, not even the angels, nor the Son, but only the Father.